And I must say, this stadium falls in the must-visit category for any football fan should the chance come his or her way. Anfield is the venue. I'm Derek Ray, joined by Lee Dixon in the commentary position. And this has all the makings of a highly engrossing match. It is Liverpool up against Portugal.
Well, not too many games left now, Derek, and with the way things have been going, it just doesn't look too positive, does it? You feel 3 points are absolutely critical here if they're to give themselves any chance of getting out of this. But if they slip up again, that could be the end of it. Hopefully, they'll surprise us today.
Let's take a look at the Liverpool starting 11. Alisson gets the nod in goal. Andrew Robertson starts with Trent Alexander-Arnold in the fullback positions. Sadio Mane starts with Mohamed Salah out wide. And the idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. Diogo Jota. And Liverpool might be able to cash in. Can he give them the lead? That is goalkeeping of the highest order and of the bravest order as well.
Well, it's not all about tipping balls over the bar and round the post. It's about being brave and diving at players' feet.
Diogo Jota. But on the way into the game, so many people were asking us about Sadio Mane. A truly top talent. Lee, what kind of display do you expect to see from him?
Well, I love watching him. He's got quick feet, quick mind. He wants you to come close to you so he can get past you. So as defenders normally stand off him, and then he's got more time to pick the pass he wants, and he normally finds the best one.
Oh, terrific pass. Ronaldo. Might be a chance here. Will he? Good defending to prevent the chance. Guerrero. Teammate available. Henderson. Well, for more on the injury, let's go down to our reporter, Jeff Shreves.
He landed really heavily on his shoulder there. You can see the discomfort he's in.
And in with a real chance. Can they put it away? And this situation could be dangerous. Wijnaldum. Can he do it to take the lead? That is top-notch goalkeeping. He had to reach in with his hand.
Yeah, it's all about reading the pace of the ball and the player's feet. When do I go down? When do I strip the ball? Did a brilliant job then.
Diogo Jota. Henderson has it. Joe Gomez. Henderson. Here is Thiago. Jota. Robertson. Can't miss, surely. Couldn't quite hang on. Mane. He's trying to create something. Tremendous block. Options in the middle. Not a bad pass it was. Now doesn't get away with it. Free kick given. Joao Felix. Renato Sanchez. On the ball, Ruben Dias. Sanchez. Ronaldo. And it's Ruben Dias. Joao Felix. And Renato Sanchez with it now. Masterful piece of foiling. Thiago. Salah. Well, a decent position for Liverpool to be in. And he's broken free. It's got to be. There it is, and he could scarcely have had an easier finish.
Well, here it is. How do you like him? In an open goal, please. No goalkeeper, no defenders. Where were they all?
So the game has restarted. Liverpool in front. Ruben Diaz. Rafa. And will it be the leveller? Well, he didn't miss by an awful lot. Henderson. Well, they've jumped in front, Lee. That's the most important thing. Your assessment so far?
Well, it's all going well for Liverpool. It's tight. Control of the ball is key when a game is like this. They have the players to do it, though. But they'll be the happier of the two teams at half-time.
Wijnaldum. Here's Robertson. Almost weighing up the opposition with a string of neat passes. Wijnaldum. Perfect challenge. Getting in there to take it away. And that brings to an end the first half here. Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins. Bruno Fernandes. Ronaldo! And a goal! Real excitement here, the equaliser.
Well, let's see that strike again. First time is always very, very difficult to strike a ball. The timing has to be right, the technique has to be right, but above all, you have to concentrate on the ball as it's coming to you. You know you're not going to take a touch. Concentration is everything.
Henderson, and he was outthought just then. Breaking at pace. On a pass that lacks quality. Well, it fizzled out. Alexander-Arnold. Alexander-Arnold. And the press is on. Guerrero. Renato Sanchez. It's with Bernardo Silva. Oh, lovely incisive pass. Just cutting off the supply. Thiago. Alexander-Arnold. Van Dijk with it. Perfectly positioned to take it away. Sadio Mane! Courageous goalkeeping, but he's got the ball.
Well, you have to be brave, don't you, diving at the feet of a player like that. Good goalkeeping.
Given away by Ronaldo. Henderson. And 30 minutes left for play in this match. Crossing opportunity. Salah! And there is the goal to re-establish their advantage.
Well, it's good play. Ian Wright always told me, stand in the middle of the goal. It sounds simple, but you don't have to get a lot of goals from that position.
For Liverpool.
Both substitutes who've been getting ready will come on at the same time. So there we have it, 2-1. Good tackle, it'll be a throw. Alexander-Arnold. Encouraging move from Liverpool. Really getting stuck in. It has gone over the touchline for what will be a throw-in. Diogo Jota. Andre Silva with it. Andre Silva. Bruno Fernandes has it. Ronaldo untidy with the ball. Virgil van Dijk. Here is Thiago. Fine sequence of passes. Joe Gomez. Van Dijk with it. We're now inside the final 20 minutes of the game. Joe Gomez. Here is Thiago. Alexander-Arnold. Henderson has it. And a throw-in forthcoming. Joe Gomez. Virgil van Dijk. Henderson has it. Alexander-Arnold. Van Dijk with it. Joe Gomez. Diogo Jota. Now Mo Salah.
Well, just listen to the Liverpool fans. The crowd very much behind them right now. It's been a tough game, but not long to go to see this out.
Less than convincing defending. Oh, he's through here. Alisson. Here is Thiago. Now with Alisson. Alexander-Arnold. In the right place to cut out the pass. Now still pressing for a goal here. Good work to win the ball back high up the pitch. Late drama here. Level once more. Incredible scenes.
Well, we can see here it's a good finish, but really it's all about the concerted pressure beforehand, really discipline, working as a team to force a mistake and regain possession high up the pitch. Then they take full advantage.
Liverpool have given it away. Andre Silva. Salah will know that the pass needed to be slightly better. And the search goes on for a winner. Time is... Oh, and the hero for the umpteenth time in his career, Cristiano Ronaldo. What late excitement here.
Derek, it's simple, he's brilliant. He scores all types of goals and he gets winners too.